Press sitting bones down. Lengthen.
Ma'am, good afternoon. I have logged from two devices, one for sound only and another for screen.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Let's all sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Close your eyes. Guys, please mute. We are in the prayer. I'm not stopping the prayer for a second time. Close your eyes. Focus on the present moment. Take an inhale. Reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale. Bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start chanting one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Let's start with neck rotations. Keep the shoulders down to the ears. Shoulders down to the ears. Only your neck is moving. Big circle. 1, 2. Big circle. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right ear to right shoulder, left fingertips to the floor. Pull and hold spine straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head the hand, come the head back to center. Left ear, left shoulder, right fingertips to the floor. Pull and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Watch me. You're going to extend the arms, cross the elbows, bend the elbows. Option 1 here. Option 2, cross the arms. Sorry, the hands. Pull the elbows forward, separate the scapula. 1, center, okay? Exhale, when you pull, you have to hunch the spine. 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbows in line with the shoulders. 6, 7 and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Inhale, extend the arms. Cross opposite. Elbows, guys, in line with the shoulders. We cannot let the elbows down. Lift it in line with the shoulder. Pull and hunch. 1, center. 2, center. 3, center. 4, center. 5, center. 6, center. 7 and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Extend the arms and bring the hands forward for tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders. Knees under the hips. Straight line. Inhale, arch the spine fully. Exhale, round fully. Pelvis in, navel in, chin in. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, 3. Exhale, round. Keep the weight spread between hands and knees. 4. And round. Inhale, 5. And round. Inhale, 6. And round. Inhale, 7. And round. Inhale, 8. And round. Inhale, 9. And round. One more. 10. Round and hold. Bring more weight to the hands, Vijay. 10. 9. 8. More weight to the hands. Forward, Vijay. 7. 6. 5. 4. The bigger hands forward. Sorry, hands forward. Weight forward to the hands. 3. 2. 1. Come to center. Jivantanu Goyal, cameras on, please. If you cannot practice, take the recording. Watch me, guys. From tabletop, it's important that we have the hands right under the shoulder. Not in, not here. For everyone. Same with the knees. The knees cannot be here or here. This is not the tabletop. Yeah, this is the base position. Now, we will tap those under, press the hands, make sure alignment is correct. Lift the knees and activate the core. Here you press and separate the scapula. Did you see? Here I'm just hanging. I'm pressing and I'm separating the scapula. Everyone hold. Maximum strength. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7. Jivan, lift the knees. 6, 5, 4, 3. Guys, the knees are lifted. 3, 2, 1. Stay. 2, 3. Ritu, knees lifted. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the knees to the floor. Take a moment, guys. The knees are little bit lifted. We are not only hunching, we are lifting the knees. Attention to detail, guys. Don't miss the exercises. If you don't understand, ask me, but don't just miss it. Now, we're going to go one more variation. Same thing. We'll lift the knees, hunch. Knee to the same elbow, back. Knee to opposite elbow, back. Knee to cross the elbow, back. Knee to cross opposite elbow. That's one. Yes, so we will repeat at your own rhythm, guys. We want to move super slow. Feel your core working. 1 minute. Don't worry about the speed, worry about the quality. Knee to same elbow, opposite knee to same elbow, cross, cross. Yes, same, cross, cross. Let's start, guys. In 5, take position alignment. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hand, lift the knees and start. Same knee to same elbow, opposite knee to opposite elbow, and then cross and cross. It's not only crossing, guys. Same knee to same elbow, opposite knee to opposite elbow, then cross and cross. It's not plank, Vijay. It's not a high plank. Guys, copy the exercise correctly. Some of you are distracted. Pay attention. We cannot be distracted here. 15 seconds. Come on, guys. 15 seconds. Same knee, same elbow. Opposite knee, opposite elbow. Cross and cross. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Take child's pose. Relax. Forehead to the floor. Forehead to the floor. Sit back to your knees. Arms back. Come back to the breath. Now, guys, we will go again. Yes. Attention, I repeat the exercise. Those who are lost, we will do 1 more minute. Tabletop, lift the knees. Knee to same elbow, back. Opposite knee to elbow, back. I cross and back. I cross and back. And then I continue again. Same, cross, cross. Some of you are doing same, and some of you are doing cross and cross. But only a few are doing the whole exercise. Yes, please copy the exercise. Ask questions before we start. Otherwise, please, I expect you to memorize this. Yeah? Attention to what we are doing. Hinging, separating the scapula, pressing. Yes, everything on point. Let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone up time is on 1 minute. Not about the speed. Vijay, Jivan, you're going, guys, too fast. Too fast. In the slowness of this exercise, there is the deep core stability.
Patty.
Yes.
Yeah, give me 2 minutes. There's someone outside. I'll just.
Yes. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you.
Ritu, finish. 30 seconds. Come on, guys. I see everything. Take a little pause if you need, but don't quit fully. 15 seconds. If you feel cramps in your core, it's okay. This is not a pleasant walk in the valley, guys. You need this for the press. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the knees down. Take child's pose. Relax. Very good. Watch me, guys. You will take tabletop position. Bring the forearms down. Yes. Hands to spine. Tap the toes under and you're going to bring knee to chest, back. Knee to chest, back. Knee to chest, back. The hips don't come up, guys. We are again little close to the floor. Yeah? In. Core compression, guys. We need the core compression to press. Yes? Cat position. You have 2 hands. Press with the forearms. Separate your scapula. We cannot be here. Have to separate. Yes? Make sure the elbows are under the shoulders. The toes are tucked. The knees a little bit above. Not too much. Palms facing to the floor. Everyone ready? Let's start. Knee to the chest. 1 minute. Slow. Eyes to your hands. Don't look through. Rima, 1 step forward with the feet. You're 2 back. Snehal, same. 1 step forward. Lower a bit the knees, Jivan. They are too high, the knees. Low. The lower the better, guys. Jivan, no, you are extending the legs. The knees are low, close to the floor. 20 seconds left, guys. Finish the exercise. Don't quit. Guys, finish. It's tiring, but it's doable. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take child's pose. Relax completely. Very good. Now watch me. We will extend the arms forward, pelvis in, forehead to the floor and hold. Not arching, okay? No. In. Only we want to press the shoulders down. Yes? 1 minute hold. Take position. Make sure the hips are on top of the knees. And go. Vijay, you are doing something else. Pay attention. Knees under the hips. Extend the arms, Vijay. Extend the arms forward. We're going puppy pose. Extend the arms. Yes. Forehead to the floor. Press the hands, Vijay. Press the hands. Yes.
Ma'am, please, once again.
Say again.
I haven't seen the pose. Please.
Watch me. Tabletop. Extend the arms forward fully. Forehead on the floor. Pelvis in. No arching, okay? Pelvis in. Only pushing down with the shoulders. Arms completely active. Last 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Coming up. Watch me for the next one. We're gonna start tabletop. Bring forearms down. Elbow under the shoulder. And we are interlace the fingers. Guys, we're gonna interlace the fingers like this. Fully. Thumbs up. Yes, like this. Now. Forearms down. Interlace the fingers. Thumbs up. Pinky finger touching the floor. Press. Tap the toes. Lift the hips. Extend the legs. Yes, and you're gonna bring. Press the head down. Press. Lift the shoulders. Press the head down. Press. Lift the shoulders. We are pressing with the forearms. Guys, this is the position. We cannot let the elbows open. Yeah, make sure they are in line. Check, press, interlace, and up. Yeah? We only touch and push. Yes? Everyone ready? Check your alignment, guys. I'm already seeing alignment that is wrong. Elbow under the shoulder, important. That's your stability. 1, feet together. 2, control, push. 3, 4, 5, 6. Push, Vijay, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the knees down. Now we will go 5 more extra. Guys, watch me. Some of you are doing really good. Some of you are walking with the legs so much back that it's so difficult. You're making your life very difficult right now. No need. Watch me. If I start with my knees under the hips and I touch the toes, even if I cannot extend the leg, I don't need to walk back. Some of you are trying to do this like in a plank. Very difficult, not what we want. So that's why I'm saying it's important to start right. Knees under hips, hands under shoulders. Forearm, forearm. I cross check. Okay. Now I can press. Tap the toes. I don't need to step back. Just hips up. Even with the knees bent. I shift forward, crown of the head. Press. That's it. Down, press, down, press. I don't open like this. I am pressing up. Yes, it's tough, but it's necessary. Yes, we cannot sugarcoat this. We need to understand it. Yeah? Everyone ready? We go 5 together. And let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the crown of the head in between your hands. Yeah? Hug the back of the head with the hands, thumbs up. Walk as close as you can. Try to bring the hips on top of the shoulders. Press with the forearms, no weight in the head. You can bend the knees and keep walking forward until your hips reach top of the shoulders. And we hold 30-second hold, 30-second hold. Last 10, 9, 8, stay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knees down, forehead on the floor. Child's pose. Relax. Very good. Watch me, guys. We will go again. Forearms under the shoulders, interlace the fingers. This time we start from the floor. Front of the head, press with the forearms. Lift the hips, walk, walk, walk. And I simply want you to take one knee to the, sorry for the voice, one knee to the chest, keep pressing. Yes, no lifting, just compress the knee to the chest. If the knee is not reaching to the chest, you're not feeling the core activation, you will take one block and place it here and press. I show you. Simply press like this. Don't press and leave the leg. Just press to the chest as if you want to crush the block. Yeah, press, 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 press. We will hold 30 seconds each leg.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Yes. Guys, we will bring the knee to the chest. Yes? Sorry. Knee to the chest. Now, for some of you might be here, place the block on your hip. Yeah, on the hip flexion, you place it. Now, keep it next to you. You are going to use the block. Interlace the fingers. Place the block. Lift up. Ground the head down. Bend the knee to the chest. Yes? As much as you can. The heel of the opposite leg has to be up. Yeah? Shoulders cannot collapse. Shoulders away like the exercise we just did before. Yes? We will hold 30 seconds each leg. We all prepare and go together. Make sure your alignment, guys, the arms, everything is in place before you bring the knee to chest. Walk close to your arms. Sunita, crown of the head down, crown of the head down, huh? Time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No lifting legs. Very good. Suni, knee to your chest. To your chest, not up. Yes. Vijay, if you have a block, use a block and walk closer with the foot. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Directly other side. Take the block if you need, guys. Block is an amazing tool for press. Bring it in and let's start. 30 seconds, second leg. Second leg. Everyone ready? Neha, Suni, second leg. Knee to the chest, guys, as much as possible, Vijay. Yes, 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 good job. Stay, Anupama, 7, 6, 5, 4, Jyoti, more knee to chest, 3, 2, knee to chest, 1, not up, to the chest, yes. Slowly down, guys, child's pose, good job, child's pose, relax. Very good. Now, watch me, guys. We will go close to the wall. With the mat. One palm distance from the wall. We measure with the hand. Don't measure with your eyes. One palm distance. Yes, you will measure shoulder distance apart like usual. Place the crown of the head. Walk closer, lift the hips. Walk, 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 walk. You're going to lift one leg up. Try to touch. Yes, if you cannot touch, try to find your straight line. Other knee, bend it, maybe lift it. Yes, if this doesn't happen, you use the block again. Place the block on the hip flexion. Walk. Yes, sorry. You lift the leg first. Bend the knee, crash, 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 crash the block. Find your straight line, make it touch. It's not the goal to find balance. Yes, if you touch the wall, you can touch the wall. But try to find this core compression. Yes, first I lift the leg. Even if my leg doesn't go straight, I can crash the block, use my core and lift. Yes, here I cannot collapse. I have to leave the shoulders, press the forearms down. Yeah? Forearms are doing the job at your base. Yes, the head doesn't receive weight, guys. Very minimal weight on the head. Yes, if the weight comes here, you're going to start feeling pressure at the back of your neck or on your jaw. Yeah, make sure your mat is some cushion. Yes, if you have a very thin mat like me, mine is paper thin. Yes, I got used to it. It's not so good, but you can fold a blanket or something under. Yeah? A t-shirt, a cloth, something if it's too thin. We are not jumping, guys? No jumping. Use the block. No jump. No jump and no kick, guys. It's a press class. Lakshmi, yes, yes. Up, 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 up. Suni, one knee to the chest. Guys, measure one palm from the wall, away from the wall. Akila, yes. Miru, yes. Try to release the heel from the wall. Miru, knee to chest. Neha, yes. Anupama, yes. More knee to chest, Anupama. Raki, yes. Preeti Vardhan, yes. Ayana Perla, yes. Anupama Singh, elbows shoulder distance apart. Sachni, compress the knee that you have. You are doing opposite. Sachni, the knee that is bent is the hip that has the block. Yeah? Where you have the block? Yes. Press, press, press. And the other leg will come up. Shift more weight towards the wall, Sajni. More weight towards the wall. Those who are up, go down, change leg. Don't worry if it doesn't happen. We still have half an hour for the class. Be patient with yourself. Try the second leg. Try to understand. One knee to the chest, guys. Some of you are not bringing the knee to chest. Use your blocks. The blocks really help with the press. It's not for beginners. Guys, the blocks are not for beginners. Take this idea out of your mind. Blocks are a tool to help, just like the yoga belt. We use it pro level, beginner level, intermediate level. It doesn't matter. Some of you, the ego is getting in between. It happened to every practitioner, but be aware. Ego is getting in between. Take your block, use it. You will see the change in your practice. No kicking. Rima, no jumping. Guys, no jumping, no jumping.
Ma'am, how to lift other leg?
Ma'am, it's getting very difficult to push our leg.
It's getting difficult to lift the leg.
Lift the leg.
Lift the leg one by one. Sunita, also for you, the leg is not lifting.
Yeah, left is not cooperating, right is okay.
So Sunita, one side is working for you, second side
Yes,
is not working. Yes,
yes.
this happens. Usually the dominant side, very easy. The non-dominant side usually is difficult.
Yeah, if I want to use the block,
Mhm.
like because of this belly, mummy pouch, I'm not able to adjust.
No, has nothing to do. I know. No. It's here, yeah? When you lift the knee, here. It doesn't matter if we have a little bit of belly, it's fine. Just the
Okay.
action of trying to crush the block is what will activate the deep core. Deep core, yes. And help you lift the leg. Without this awareness, how can we do? Suni, watch me, guys. If someone needs to watch it again, yes. Everyone down, have another look. We will have 1-2 minutes more to try, and then we move on. Yeah? Suni, it's your first headstand class.
Yes, ma'am.
First headstand class. Please take it easy, don't worry, yeah? If we are doing press class today, this is for all levels. But take it easy, those who are a bit new or new to press. Yeah, things don't happen in one day, but we can still all practice. Yeah? Pay attention, guys, especially those who ask questions. Yes? Now, one palm distance, everyone. We do the measurements. Go down. Yes, place the block. Compress the knee and lift. Yes, now, one leg up, even if it's here, the other knee. I have to bring weight towards the hips, other knee to the chest. I lift, I keep the knee to chest. Again, if I release, the block will fall. Yeah? So I really have to ensure the knee is compressing. Yes? Now, the key here is to keep pressing with the forearms and to try to walk with the feet close enough that I feel somehow the hips on top of the shoulders. They can be limiting factors in the beginning, yeah, because the spine, maybe it's not straight enough, it's not strong enough, the core, legs. Don't worry, guys. You try your best. Whatever I'm showing, visualize it in your brain. The brain has to get used to think upside down. You don't think upside down, but trying to see where are your legs. You visualize where you're going and you try to do the same. You have the image as a reference. Same way we have God energy, we have an image to understand how God looks like. God is energy, this is the same. Yeah, you don't know what's upside down, you don't know anything. Where are your legs? Left, right, knee up, knee down, you don't know. You use the image. Everyone, please put this in the brain. Yeah, because all the inversions work like this. You have to visualize. Rima, yes?
Ma'am, not able to shift weight on the forearm.
Oh, so
Rest,
you are
I'm done
with
okay.
your head?
Yeah, I feel weight on my head.
Guys, if you notice yourself pressing with the head, two options. Go down or try to press and shift the weight to the forearms. Don't stay in your head because we still have half an hour of class. If it happens one time, it's okay. It's an accident. But if it's all the time, the weight is going here, by the end of the class, you might have pain in your...
That's why I feel pain in the neck.
Yeah. It's not what we want. Yeah, there are advanced versions of headstand where the weight is effectively on the head, but actually it's the
Ma'am-
neck. Okay? It looks like on the head, but it's the neck that is very strong. It's not.
Ma'am, any drill?
It's not what we are aiming here, guys. Okay? No weight on the head.
Ma'am, any drill to shift weight on the forearm?
Are we just did, guys? Where were we in the warm-up? We were here shifting weight, pushing. This push is what we
Ma'am,
push with the
In
weight.
this exercise, I am able to do. I feel weight on my forearm. But when I keep legs closest to the body, then it shifts on the head.
It shifts on the head. Yeah, because it's more body weight. But the action, you have to remember in that moment. When you feel more weight in the hand, you have to remember because your brain is focused. Knee to chest, leg up, la la la. You forget the basic. Yeah? We need to remember because if the base of the house is not solid, the rooftop is going to crumble. Rooftop are your legs. Yeah, in the beginning, so many things that we have to take care. But it's okay. You gain the awareness. Okay, the weight is here. I press. Okay, it's not happening now. I go down, I rest, and I try again. Maybe less seconds. For some of you might be happening that for 10 seconds, all is fine. And then you start feeling like you're crumbling down. Get down, rest and try again. Another good quality 10 seconds. Don't force yourself to be 30 seconds. If you cannot resist 30 seconds, it doesn't make sense. Yes, I always say if you have to go down, but come back again. Don't go down in a 30-second hold after 10 seconds and then, oh, let's chill on the mat. You rest and go again. Yeah? One more
Tati,
try, guys. Yes?
I have a question.
Ma'am, which
So when
leg I
I'm
should?
One person at a time. Sunita, yes, then Sajni, then Miru.
Ma'am, I'm able to shift the weight from the head to the forearms, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Your
yes,
drills are helping a lot.
yes, thank you. And guys, for everyone, it will click differently. Yeah? I had a teacher saying to me, push in the Pincha Mayurasana, push in the beginning of my journey. I was like, I'm pushing, teacher, I'm pushing. Nothing is happening. It clicked later. You think you're pushing. One day you will feel yourself pushing. You will understand, remember my words. What is really pushing until it clicks. Who else was there? Sajni and Miru. Sajni, tell me.
Ma'am, which leg I should lift first? That the leg which is towards the ceiling or the bending knee?
Legs towards the ceiling first and then the knee to the chest.
Okay.
Yes? We are
I
doing
was doing
opposite.
opposite.
We are doing opposite. We just want to
Uh-huh.
lift the leg up and compress.
Okay.
Yes?
I
There's
was doing
another
wrong.
way to go up from the leg up, but then how do you call this? The trajectory of the leg, the effort is more. So I'm teaching you first this one and then the other one. We will go to the other one. Yeah? Miru?
when I'm on the headstand, after a while my ears get blocked. Is that normal?
Your ears get blocked. Are you breathing?
Yeah.
Are you finding like when your ears get blocked, the balance is off?
No, it's just blocked.
Like you feel pressure, maybe?
Yeah, a little bit.
Pressure like when you're in the airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get down. Yeah, get down for a moment. Yeah, you
Okay.
can inhale, exhale a few times, maybe move the jaw a little bit. Sometimes there's a bit of air here. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have any ear problem, right?
No.
Okay. Then don't worry too much. It happens sometimes. Yeah. Guys, 1 more minute for this. Try again each leg. I repeat for those who are a bit lost or forgot. It's okay to forget the exercise. Take the block, please, guys. Take the block. Yeah? Walk. The block on the hip. Press the forearms, press the forearms, press the forearms. Leave one leg up, compress the block and hold. If you can find more alignment and touch the wall, stay here maybe 5, 7, 10 seconds. And then slowly coming down. Second leg. Yes? Guys, 1 minute and then we move on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
a little force is required when I shift my leg up, and very little force I use to
First,
apply.
no. You first lift the leg, guys. First, we usually the press is from down to up. I'm teaching you like a pre-press thing. Yeah?
Yes,
Like I
yes.
said before, to understand the press, because otherwise it's very difficult. Yeah?
Okay.
So we
Okay.
start lifting one leg. Usually the press comes from down. You just lift one leg up, fully engaged, fully straight, and then compress the knee to the chest.
Yes.
Yes?
You please check me now. I'm doing this, okay?
Yes, I'm checking everyone, but if we are talking, I see people doing, I cannot attend the doing and the talking at the same time. Let's focus, everyone. Let's focus, everyone. Shiva, yes. Ritu, bend the knee to the chest. Yes. Other leg active. Other leg active. Point the toes. Yes. More knee to chest. Yes. Press forearms. Press forearms. Press forearms. Knee to chest. Ritu, knee to chest. If you have blocks, you should use the block. Neha, yes, you are a bit in overbalance. Move away from the wall, the leg. Raki, straighten the leg a bit more up, a bit more up. Yes. Anupama, yes. Suni, much better. Knee to chest, though. Knee to chest. Lower the knee. Yeah, only the knee, only the knee. Yes. Yes. A bit more if you can. Ayana, yes. Sajni, yes. Shilpa, yes. Lakshmi, yes. Vijay, we are not kicking. Pradnya, yes. Snehal, you are in overbalance or touching the wall? I can't see. Yes, move away from the wall, Snehal. You have the strength. Akila, it was good. Miru, more knee to chest. You are arching the lower back. Keep the rib cage close. Yes. Close the rib cage. Preeti Vardhan, yes. Knee more close to the chest. Yes. That's your line. That's your line. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second leg. Those who have one leg missing, if you did both legs and you're tired, take child's pose. Sajni, straighten the knee that is up. Straighten the knee that is up. Lakshmi, very good. Don't jump, Sajni, don't jump. Straighten the leg. Engage the glutes. Compress the opposite knee to the chest. Yes. Squeeze the block. Squeeze the block. Suni, yes. Squeeze the glutes. Squeeze the glutes. Yes. You found a good line. Suni, when you are up, this is not happening. Your knee, when you are up, your knee is like this. Try to bring it more inside. Yeah? If you have the block, I insist, please try with the block because you progress so good in this half an hour class. Yeah? Now your spine is completely straight. It was amazing. Your spine was like a banana and now it's straight. Now
But
let's
ma'am,
try
when
to
I'm
fix the knee.
squeezing my leg now,
Say
my
again?
leg to my chest, so I'm overbalancing.
No. Now you were in the straight line.
Okay.
If you bring the knee to the chest, two things can happen. The leg stays up, or depending, maybe your leg starts to go down and you are in underbalance. Yes? Try to bring it more to the chest. Why? Because if your knee is 90 degrees, chances are you will be in overbalance. Yeah? Because the hip will want to open. It's in flexion. The knee to the chest keeps the compression active. Yeah? Now, guys, we let go of this exercise. Yes?
It's not happening in non-dominant leg.
It's happening in the non-dominant leg.
It's not happening in
It's
non-dominant.
not happening. Yes, guys. These you will find in so many, especially on inversions. If your dominant leg is the right, you will want to kick only with the right. You will like to press only with the right. Don't do it. I did that mistake. Don't do it. Practice your bad leg, your good leg, your dominant, non-dominant, everything. Every side of the body needs to be practiced equally, guys. Otherwise, there are major imbalances on a serious level. There are major imbalances we can create. Yes? Now, guys, different variations for different levels. Option 1. If this one is something you would like to practice again, please practice it again. Otherwise, try the next one. Try it, and if you don't like it, you fail, you can always come back to this one. But we try to move on for the press. Now, same principle. We will bring the block to the hip, go down, and now we will do the action press from the floor. Bend the knee first. We were doing opposite, okay? Bend the knee, shift the weight, leave the leg. Yes? Slowly come down. If you can do one leg, amazing. You will try to do 3 or 5 reps. Yes, if you can manage up and down, 3 to 5 reps, one leg, then you change. If you need more, no block. No block obviously is more difficult. You go up, squeeze the glutes. Slowly down. Yes, you can then change the leg after 3 4 reps. 1 and down. Yes? Those who have been practicing headstand for a long time, they have balance, they have the press. Yes, you can do the same away from the wall. Yes, only those who practice headstand and have balance, you can do the same without the wall, straight line and down. Yes? Let's try, guys. 2-3 minutes for this one. Everyone trying? First knee to chest with block, without the block, with wall, without the wall. We compress so much that the other leg will automatically lift. Yes, Akila. Slow down. Yes. Squeeze the glutes. Yes. Yes. More knee to chest, more leg up. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Slowly down, Akila. Slowly down. Control the way down. Smooth. Yes, Shiva. Also good. Yes. More up, Shiva. More up. More up. More up. Yes, yes. Rima, that was good as well. Ayana, yes. Yes. Control maximum. Yes. Shilpa. Anupama. Neha, show me the way down. Slow. Neha, slowly. We come down, guys. Don't snap down. Control the way down, yeah? Everyone trying, guys. Take a rest. Do the second leg. Lakshmi, show me the way down. Yes, yes, yes. Good control. Raki, more hip extension. Squeeze the glutes. Leave the leg higher. Yes, yes, yes. And now slowly down. Slowly down. Slow, slow, slow. Very good. Pranya, I'm watching. Leave the leg, straight the knee, straight the knee. Knee to chest, opposite knee to chest. Opposite knee to chest, Pranya. Yes. Squeeze the glutes, hip extension. Yes, yes. More, more, more. Amazing. And now, Pranya, slowly down. Slowly down. Almost, Pranya. Neha, also for you. Pranya and Neha, you are going good until halfway. On the way down is difficult to control, I know. Until halfway, you're doing good. Then from the halfway down, you snap. Yeah? It's the most difficult part. Try to go slowly like a light feather. Suni, no jumping. Shilpa, yes, keep the knee to chest.
I'm feeling like I have a control.
1 second, guys. Shilpa, slowly down. Slowly down. Slow. Nice and control. Nice and control. Nice and control.
Shoulders are not coming to my hip alignment. Like hips and shoulders are not coming straight. So what to do?
Hips and shoulders are not in one line.
Yeah.
So,
Means when I'm
are you
pressing.
trying to lift the way I explained? Knee to the chest first.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then squeeze and lift the leg. Show me. You have blocks, Suni? You have blocks? No blocks? No? If you're gonna come to my classes, guys, whoever comes to my classes and doesn't have blocks, bring blocks. Blocks and yoga bell, we will need always. Yeah? Now, without blocks, you can try, but now in this case, only a block will really, really help you. Yeah, we can try still, but a block will really help with the press. Show me. Guys, if you did both legs, child's pose, and I explain you the next one in a minute.
Excuse me, ma'am. Neha this side.
1 second, Neha, let me finish this. Knee to chest, Suni, first of all. Find compression, yes. Yes, engage the core. No jumping. Press forearms. Press forearms. More core compression. More. Your leg is about to lift. In the beginning, guys, it's a lot of trial. Suni, you are very close to lift the leg. The leg, when it lifts, it feels light. Yeah? It feels light. We cannot jump into the press. Press is called press because literally is lifting. The leg feels light even if your leg is 100 kgs. Yeah? So try the second leg if you haven't tried. Maybe you have luck in the other leg. But it's your first class, Suni. You're doing things really hard. Be very proud of yourself. Neha, tell me.
Ma'am, so what do I need to do? Like I'm coming down this much of space, I'm falling down quickly. So at that time, what I need to do? I mean, core compression or something else?
Core compression.
Core compression.
Yeah, in that moment, maybe your brain is happy. You're like, yay, we did.
Yes, sometimes it happens.
Then in that
Yeah, I did it.
microsecond, you forget to press the forearms and you forget to compress. Maybe it's a 10% of compression that you are not applying and you were applying before. Yeah?
Right.
So maximum focus to try to bring the leg down.
Because half of the 70% I did, so I feel okay now. It's now.
Yes,
75%.
you feel like, okay, we did it.
We did
And
it.
then in that little, then you forget to bring it all the way down, yeah?
With
It's
control,
this
right? With core compression only, na? With
core
knee-
compression. Core compression is the way down.
Okay.
Of course, you need to keep pressing forearms and everything, but the core compression control is what's gonna bring you down, yeah?
Mhm. Thank
Guys,
you.
we need to understand something. For the press, the abs that work are the deep core. Yeah, this is not the six-pack working. It's the deep core, the stability, core stability, yes. The exercise we did in the beginning. These ones, core stability, core control. Yeah, not because it looks easy. It means it's not serving a purpose. Yeah? We have to take the warm-up seriously because it's, in my classes, all the foundations of what you find next is in the warm-up. Yeah? Now, guys, how many minutes we have? 5. Guys, those who are tired can rest. I know some of you is a lot for first class. Yes, those who are tired can rest. Now, if you were able to lift the leg nicely and you are touching the wall, your goal is to do it without touching the wall. You can go next to the wall if you don't feel confident to go away. Those who are finding easily balance, forget about the wall. Go really away from the wall. Yes, a new wall will open. Those who want a bit more, I give you pike press. Yes, only those who have a balance. Yes, you walk close, legs together, guys. Point the toes. Squeeze the glutes as you're lifting up. Find straight line. And slowly, slowly down. You can touch and lift. Yes? Only those who feel confident, guys.
So are we doing both the legs straight up, even if it's against the wall?
You can try if you have a good one leg press. Two leg press, guys, is no joke, huh? It looks easy. Maybe when you look on the screen, it's no joke. You can try, but don't try without the wall if you don't have a single leg. Anyone can try, but you will get frustrated if you are not lifting with one knee. Very difficult that this will lift. Yeah, you can try, but don't try without the wall if you don't have a good holding headstand. That's what I'm trying to say.
Patty,
Anupama,
Patty, I'm able to lift only halfway, both the legs.
who's talking?
Shiba.
Shiva, yes. Halfway,
And maybe, yeah.
you show me. For the pike press? For the pike press, no?
Yeah, the one which
Yeah.
you showed now.
Yeah, the pike press. Yes. Yes. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the glutes. Hip extension, Shiva. Think about hip extension. Keep raising the legs. Keep raising the legs. Squeeze the glutes, hip extension. Slowly. Yes. More. Squeeze the glutes, Shiva. Hip extension. You're still not in the line. More. Yes, more. Squeeze the glutes. Keep going. More, Shiva. You're almost there. Almost. More. A bit more. Hip extension. A bit more. Yes. Now slowly down. Keep the legs straight. Start hinging from the hip. Sorry. Yes, from the hip. So when you're going down, you need to start the action of hinging from the hip. Basically, you start hip flexion with the legs engaged. The hip will move slightly behind the shoulders. Slightly. You need to think a little bit hip to the wall. Yes, and then maximum core compression.
Okay.
Yes. Ayana, thank you. Guys, last minute, everyone trying. I'm watching everyone. Deepika, no jumping.
Ma'am, can you please check?
Oh, who's yes, Neha. Show me. Yes. Nice and controlled. Squeeze the glutes, hip extension, legs straight. Yes. Continue pressing forearms down, hip extension, Neha. More. A little bit more. Yes. And now slow and control. Neha, from the hip, flex. Flex from the hip. Yes. Slowly. No bending of the knees. Slow. Yes. Nice try, Neha. Very good, huh? Only the last part you got excited. Last part. Next class, you got this. But very good. The way up is the hardest, guys. Yes, very good. Suni, what is happening?
Adi ma'am, please check
Uh,
me.
Coming. Say again. Suni, say again.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to lift my hip up, so that's why my balance are not maintaining. What should I do?
Wait a second.
Actually, I'm getting exhausted totally.
Say one moment. Preeti, show me. Preeti, no, go down. You did like a little jump there. No jumping. You did like a little jump. No. Press the forearms, hips up. Yes. One knee to the chest. Keep pressing the forearms, engage the core. There was a little jump, but better. Knee to chest. Yes. Slowly. Squeeze the glutes. Up. Control. No, 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 no. You lost the control in a moment, Preeti, but it was good. It was good. You lost the control. Keep the knee to the chest, guys. We cannot forget to compress the knee to the chest. Yes?
Ma'am, actually, when I'm lifting the ears to the shoulders, it's
That
like
cannot
this.
happen. Remember this exercise
So
we said with
I get
chest, press.
little unbalanced in my lower body when it goes
You
here like
need
this.
to think shoulders away from the ears. Shoulders away from the ears, yeah? Now, guys, good job. Let's stretch the neck. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Interlace the fingers behind your head. Elbows close. Bring the chin to chest. Round the spine. Shoulders down. Don't keep the shoulders here. Bring them down and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Open. Release. Right ear to right shoulder. Half circle to the left and right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it to one side. Opposite shoulder down. Don't bring it up. Down. Nice and long. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Opposite side. Fingertips to the floor. Hold. Shoulder, opposite shoulder down, guys. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming back to center. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale. Reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale. Bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om, 3 Shantis. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your body through your eyes. Light the palms on your face. Do a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys. Very good job. I will send recordings, yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
You
so
can
much, ma'am.
practice again. Yeah,
you, ma'am.
tomorrow and Wednesday I'm traveling back to Spain. So Friday we have, sorry, tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday and Thursday. Friday we have class again with me, okay? So practice the recordings in these days that I'm away. Yes, you will see yourself first and then you will understand when you practice second time, it will integrate a bit more what we did today. Yeah? Thank you guys. Have a lovely evening and I'll see you Friday. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Safe
Ma'am,
journey.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
guys.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Ma'am, it's going up is feeling little bit easy. Why is coming down? I am keeping my
The
leg down. It's
gravity,
feeling-
the gravity is pulling the leg down. You have to control a little bit against the gravity. Yeah? Because the lightness, you feel it up. When you go down, you need all the core compression and it's working against the gravity. So it feels a little bit heavy. Sometimes it feels like the leg will just snap down. Yeah. Once you do a few reps down, I assure you, you will feel the same. It's just a little bit more of engagement. Now it's too new for you, Neha. You are very excited. You are losing the power. Once you've done 10 reps each leg, it will feel better, way better.
Nothing else I need to do, just to practice, right?
Just practice, just practice. This is very normal. The way up is way easier than the way down. Yeah.
And with blocks, ma'am, it was amazing feeling. Like I
Yes.
have never done with blocks.
Sunny, you here with the blocks? Take 2 blocks, guys. They are your besties. Blocks, wall, chair, yoga bed. We need all of this at any stage of practice. Yeah, we can do very complicated drills with blocks. It helps us sometimes put on under the feet, reach the hip higher. They are very useful. Yeah.
With blocks, I can feel more core compression because we are pressing our knee towards chest.
Exactly. Exactly. It's a very
Thank you
good
so
tool.
much. Yes,
It's a
thank
very
you so
good
much.
tool, guys. Yes. Thank you
And
so much. Yes, Ritu.
and I was not able to fix this hair because
Ah,
of I think it was my length, my height. I was not able to
yes,
fix
yes.
this under my this.
Stand here and then compress. Don't try to
Okay.
compress it like this.
Okay.
This part on the hip bone. Yes.
Yes, now got it. I got it. Yes. Happy journey, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Happy
Happy
journey.
journey.
Bye
Yes,
bye.
Sunny?
So much, ma'am.
No, just
Ah.
happy journey.
Sorry, everyone is on mute. I don't hear properly. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.